What's going guys, it's Toxic Reviews back at you with another video. So for today's video we will be reviewing and unboxing these black AirPod Pro replicas from mget. Link to get these will be down in the description below, and also if you want to win these, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe and comment anything that you want. With all that said, let's get started with unboxing. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by opening the box up. I don't want to focus too much about the package right here because it's not really important in my opinion. Most because of the fact that this box is black and doesn't need to be one-to-one in the box really, because all pairs in one-to-one. The meaning of this isn't to replicate the AirPods like 100%. There is a color difference. The meaning of this is to be unique, it's nice, soft material, and that's what you're after, and it's really special guys. I think it's hard to compare, but it has its own specifications. It's like on a different level than the AirPod replicas that we know of. It's just a different feel, and that's what you buy them for. So moving on to the unboxing actually. uh, Open up normally. We have the instructions right here. I don't normally look at them since using these is pretty easy, as always. Looking at the thing right there, uh, they're wrapped up as we always see by the same wrapping, and here we have them. They actually look really nice, guys. The color is perfect. It's like soft. It isn't like flashy. It's matte. It's matte black. That's the best way to describe it. Let me just get these out of the wrapping for you guys. All right, guys. So here I've got them all the wrapping, and let's look at the pair. The material, guys, it's super soft, smooth, matte black. It's probably one of the best, like one of the best feelings when you in AirPod replicas. It's really hard to explain it, but it's really soft. It's different to the normal white plastic. It's really nice. So moving on, they've got surprisingly they've got the writing. They've got the Apple writing, in like a more whiter color. It's hard to pick up on camera, but yeah, they've got that. And let's try to take these out here so I can show you. All right. So here we see they don't have the anti-magnetic charging case. So yeah, so it will close if you tilt it down. But I don't know. It's up to you guys. If it will disturb you, but for me, it's fine. It doesn't disturb me at all. Looking at them in size, they're really one-to-one. The ear tips are one-to-one in size, and everything looks great. It's just black. Really smooth, the same smooth material, and I really like it, honestly. I really enjoy it. Taking them out, here we see they have the one-to-one speaker as the originals. It's exactly the same, guys. Yeah, and the charging connector is white. So yeah, I don't quite love the white charging connector, but I'm pretty sure that they will get that fixed soon. But yeah, it doesn't disturb much, and like it's hard to notice it. It looks awful on camera, but in real life, it's really nice, to be honest. Enough talk about the charging connector. Let's try to connect these to see how they are. Opening the lid up, and the pop-up comes up really fast, guys. Look like 2 seconds. Hold the button in the back for it to connect, and there we go, connecting. And now it's gonna go through the setup process that we see in all these replicas. It's basically information about the AirPods, and they've replicated the exact same process as the original AirPods. So you're not really missing anything in terms of software. Yeah, in terms of software, you aren't really missing anything. It's like they've got it one-to-one. It's really close, and it's the same thing, guys. All right, people. So let's look at the settings software-wise of these. Now, it didn't show up the AirPods logo in the last clip. I don't know, it was some error. I don't know why it didn't, but I just reconnect them and it shows fine. Let's try to change the name here, see if the function works. Let's type mget maybe. Alright, it worked perfectly, and they've changed the name of them. Let's try now to switch the software configurations here. Transparency mode, noise cancellation. It switches perfectly fine, but it doesn't do anything hardware. You don't hear any difference. No blackpod replicas have that yet, so I don't really care about that. Moving on to the ear fit tip, tip test. Oh, it actually shows good seal, which is really, really good. So they updated there. Nothing really much more to mention here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna test out the functions here of the buttons when you double tap and tap. So I'm gonna try to double tap here to see what's gonna happen. It should skip the song. Let's see, something happened. Stopped. Oh well, yeah, it switched the song. So that's what it should do. When you double tap, it skips. And yeah, now I just tapped one time and it has paused the song as it exactly should do. And when you take them out, they should also pause. So yeah, uh, sound quality is like the rest of the clones. You pay for it, you get. The sound quality is it's fine to be honest. Like if the real AirPods 10 out of 10, these would be like 7 or 10, 6 out of 10. So yeah, I don't want to focus too much about that. Alright guys, so to finish this off, the sound quality was really good. As mentioned, like 6 to 7 out of 10 compared to original AirPods. Packaging was fine. It's like the same as all the replicas. It's fine. And the quality was really good. I'm impressed actually. The hinge doesn't move and the material feels really soft, matte black, and really, really good to be honest. The price is really good too. I think it's like $70. Really good pricing. So guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace.